Hello.
Ready?
Hello. Okay.
Come.
Hello guys, today is a Christmas day in Milan. So I have nothing to do, like 18 hours in home. So what does a chef do in the day of, Christmas? So a chef decides to cook something. Not his restaurant, this is another restaurant. I will give you something. Today I'm going to cook some Chinese thing, but it's simple, but it's delicious. This is some chicken. I have some garlics. I have some Spanish from Italian, Spanish or Chinese, maybe, I don't know. I have some scallops. See, it's onion spring onion. And I am the normal guy. So now I'm going to show you how to cut this, and then I'm going to have something, I will share the recipe. কাটাকাটি বেশি লেও না যে হালকা
না
So tonight we are with friends. Let me show you my friends that we work in Milan. I'm a sushi chef. My kitchen is mainly Japanese dish, but I know I can cook like 4 countries dish. So tonight we are all together, our friends. Let me show you my friends.
Hi.
Hello. This is Abir. This is Fozlu Bhai Abir. This is Alamin Bhai.
Hi.
And there is our
Are you all
also another Korean chef.
Happy New Year.
Somebody say hi.
Somebody say hi, show your face.
hi.
This is another.
Hello.
Here's the chef.
He is a Korean chef. I'm a Japanese
Korean
chef.
chef is here.
And let me show you who is doing the video. Is my bro.
Hi guys, Happy New Year to everyone, and we are going to Merry Christmas. How are you all? I hope you guys everything is doing very fine.
Very fine, and enjoy my video.
All right, here we go.
Let's go. Let's cut some shallots.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Sorry for the mess, but it's okay.
So we are doing chopping for
Green onions.
preparation is
Preparation.
for chicken or something.
Comunque, per le ragazze italiani,
All right.
una cosa facile, che il giorno di Natale non c'è un cazzo da fare, allora ho deciso di fare una pollo al petto con limone, un po' di aglio e una insalata ai spinaci cinesi che è molto buono.
Ma il sale?
Sale anche, c'è
Dopo,
gusto,
facciamo
gusto dopo.
Va
scusa.
bene.
Ragazzi,
Ragazzi,
stare
per
zitto un
favore.
po'? No, stronzi.
Aspetta. পুশ করে লয়ে এসো পাতা আচ্ছা এটা কাট করে দাও Ok, spinaci e facciamo piatto come?
C'è 2 o 3 modi di tagliare un petto di pollo, quindi
Ma tu
mettete
fai
il
così perché?
perché
Volevo
devo essere più sottile, non devo essere più grosso, ok?
Come salmone?
Allora.
Ok, come
non
salmone.
fai da sopra com'è?
Sì, allora, com'è che sono un sushi chef, quindi lo so tagliarmi veramente bene piccolino.
Ragazzi, questo this is what the chef doing, okay?
Okay.
This is the thing the chef doing. You guys already
Know me because I am a Japanese
you're a
fucking
chef.
sushi chef, so it's okay.
আমার একটু কথা কর সুযোগ দিও
No, let's talk. You talk.
কথা
You talk. No problem. And then the piece is like, the more the slice is thin, the more the chicken will cook fast. So
Okay.
you have to slice the chicken very thin.
very thin.
Okay.
So this will cook
Very early, very
early,
fast, because
very
the
fast.
Chinese kitchen is there.
Okay.
They're cooking very fast everything. And I learned it from my friend, Chinese friend, best friend from Marco. He's like, Chinese name is Dong Chong-woo. Sorry, I was cutting.
You can do.
Okay.
তুমি আমার দিকে তাকান দরকার নেই
No, let me show. Maybe I'm handsome chef. So what the fuck, man?
He's handsome.
Okay.
Really he is handsome man.
Okay. বাংলাদেশি ভিউয়ারদের জন্য ভাই চাইনিজ
বাংলাদেশি ভিউয়ার যারা দেখতেছেন সবার জন্য আমরা একটা
বলতেছি।
বাংলা অনুবাদ করে দেব পরে না
বাংলা অনুবাদ আমরা বলে দিই, মাঝখানে বলে দিই ভাই, ওই যে
একটু স্পিকারে করো।
ক্রিসমাসের দিন ওই যে কিছু করার নাই তো, কাজে ছুটি, মিলানো থাকি সুশি শেফ, তো ওই চাইনিজ রান্না রান্না, এটা জাপানিজ চাইনিজ যেটাই বলেন আর কি, এশিয়ান ওই যে একটু ওই টাইপের রান্না। মুরগি রান্না আপনার লেবু দিয়ে মুরগি রান্না। আমি একটু নোয়াখালী অ্যাকসেন্ট, কারণ আমার বাড়ি হচ্ছে নোয়াখালী, 14 গ্রাম মিক্স হচ্ছে কুমিল্লা নোয়াখালী মিক্স, তো আমার নোয়াখালী অ্যাকসেন্ট, আমি এত ভালো শুদ্ধ বলতে পারি না। তো ওই শুদ্ধ করে লাভ কিতা, শুদ্ধ করে লাভটা কিতা, কথা বুঝলে হয়েছে। দাঁড়াও এখন হচ্ছে এই যেটা করতেছি, মুরগি চিকন করে কাটতেছি, এটা লেবু দিয়ে রান্না করুন।
কথা বলবো
কেন তুমি কি করবে? কো যেটা কবে তাড়াতাড়ি কো
আচ্ছা তুমি স্লাইস করতেছো কেন এই ভিডিও মানে এই মুরগি
বাস স্লাইস করছি তাড়াতাড়ি রান্না হওয়ার জন্য বুঝছো
তাড়াতাড়ি রান্না করো
হ্যাঁ যত এটা হচ্ছে মুরগির পেটের পিস
So it is
বাংলায়
one of our brother.
বাংলা থেকে শিখা
যেটা বোঝা যাচ্ছে যে খাবার যেটাই হচ্ছে যেটা প্রিপারেট হবে ফিনেদের জন্য
বাংলায় কো পুরোটা বাংলা না
এটা খুব সুস্বাদু হবে
Okay.
এটা আমি গ্যারান্টি দিয়ে
Because he is
বলতেছি
chef. Because
I
he is
feel
chef.
really I'm very waiting for this how he put to
how he cooks
Okay,
the
we are
chicken.
going-
that
we are going
these
to-
dishes
Okay guys, let's do something. Pause.
এখন আমরা কি করব?
স্পিনাচ এটা খুব ভালো লাগে
So আমাদের শেফ আমাদেরকে কুচিনাটা প্রিপেয়ার করে দিতেছে। Here we go.
Hello, chef, my chef, my friend, not chef. He's preparing the stove.
also chef
The chef
Okay, he's a Korean
is okay.
chef. He's Korean. By maximum, how to make maximum? How to make maximum? Maximum. High stick in Okay.
একটু হলুদের প্যাকেট একটা আছে ওইখানে একটু কষ্ট করে
এই জিনিসটা আমি সামনে তুলে নেব।
Lelo.
Ready?
ওদের কি যা লাগে দিচ্ছেন
লেমনটা দেওয়ার কারণ নাকি?
This chicken is called Pollo al Limone. It's also an Italian dish, but the Chinese influence that I have from my friend. So I like the way that Chinese people cook that in the chicken, because this is like influence contrast in Chinese and Italian cuisine.
Okay.
And I learned it from a Chinese guy who is born in Italy. So I'm going to show you how to do that.
Alright.
Exactly the way he showed me.
So alright.
Okay, this is
Here
the
we
pan.
go. This is the
Okay,
pan
this
is
is the
ready. So আমরা প্রথমে কি দিব? তেল দিব।
Oh, yeah, let's go some oil.
কতটুকু তেল দিব একটু বল।
Little bit, not be too much. Not too much. It's like just for the pan, man. Okay. Just for the pan, and let the heat come up. What's correct?
What? The pan is heated.
It has to be cold, hot,
Fast
very
food.
hot.
The
very
first
hot.
what we can do? First
we are
put
going to put
chicken or
some garlic.
something.
Garlic.
Garlic. All right.
The
It is
important thing.
Important thing is garlic, guys.
Okay. Check it.
All right.
Okay, let's see it. Then don't be wait for the chicken. You can go on the chicken like this, and then you have to do this.
This is the chef is doing. All right, guys. Look
Sorry.
at the pan is.
Guys, please stop that.
And the thing is.
I don't have the fire that I need for this dish, but I'm cooking in a slow heat, but it's okay. Sorry.
Cook করে দেবো?
কাঠের গুলা চা লাগবে হ্যাঁ আছে চা লাগবে
হ্যাঁ, করো।
nice
Don't try this at home. Sorry, you can try. Okay.
We can
Let
do
the
it.
chicken cook for like 4 minutes or 5 minutes maximum. Don't put any salt or anything, because if you put some salt, the chicken will lose its water. So it
Okay.
will not be crust, croccant in Italian language. So wait for the chicken to have some flavors to the pan.
Okay. So then the next what is coming?
Next is a surprise. এখন পোস্ট করেন এখন রেড ওয়াইন দেবো, পরে লবণ নেবো, পরে
This is the green cheese. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can eat right now. I want to eat right now.
wait guys. Okay, now it's going some wine. If you have
The wine is what? White wine or
white wine.
White wine.
For the viewers from Bangladesh, আমাদের কাছে তো আপনাদের হচ্ছে ওয়াইন মদ এগুলো তো আমাদের দেশে ইলিগাল। আপনারা কিছু লাগবে না, পানি
Pani. For
ব্যবহার করতে
Bangladesh
পারেন।
user, especially you can do water, still water or
Pani.
something like natural water. You
হ্যাঁ,
can
এটা
do it.
পানি দিতে পারেন,
Alright.
অল্প পরিমাণ দিবেন, বেশি দিবেন না।
Okay.
আঙ্গুল এভাবে
There
দিয়ে
we go. Look, the chef what is doing. Oh my god. Oh my
really look
god.
good really look good
Somebody can
Really
give me a lighter, please. Lighter.
Where is
You
it?
need a lighter.
No.
Oh my god
Okay.
Come on.
No, okay. My fire is not that much hot. So no. You brown your hand. Sorry. Okay. Let the wine still like 2 minutes. 1 minute. Sorry. 1 minute.
It's look
Let's give it a bit.
like really.
No seasoning. No
Really?
seasoning. Phosphorus.
Smells are so good.
Okay. The wine is now reduced. Now go with the seasoning. Be generous.
Salt.
Little bit salt.
It's delicious.
2 pinch. And if you have something like tasting salts or something, if you want. If you don't want, you don't put it. It's your decision. I have some Korean tasting salt, so it's okay.
Key.
And some black pepper. Okay.
Okay, we can put some
Some.
What is
It's black pepper.
black pepper, all
Little
right?
bit, not too much. Little bit.
Oh my God, the million dish is coming. Guys, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry.
And coming.
About that?
And
The dish is coming.
coming. পানি লাগবে কিন্তু পানি লাগবে আমার একটা গ্লাস পানি লাগবে
So the chef is doing his work. This is his work. Alright. So it's coming like that, brown color and brown only there.
Okay.
Why is coming brown?
because it will be more tasty. Now some
So-
green onions, not too much, little bit.
Alright. Go, here we go.
Then the main important part, the lemon.
The lemon. Alright. Lemon is
Okay, go with the lemon. Lemon is must be put later because the lemon is like have some sour taste. So if you cook it too much, it will be like soury and some, how to say, I
some
don't know.
sweet or something.
Not sweet, it's soury, too much sour.
It's too much sour.
Okay, so give it a toast.
But important thing is lemon you can do like this. Look at here. The lemon is like the half of cut
Half.
you can
Slice,
cut half of
thinly sliced,
slice thing and you can
Thinly
put
sliced.
like this.
Then go with some water,
How many water you can put?
little bit, not
Little
too much.
bit.
1 cup. 1 cup.
One
maybe,
cup of
1 coffee
water.
cup.
Alright.
Okay. Wait 30 seconds.
30 seconds we have to wait. So we'll back 30 seconds later. Okay.
Hello. Christmas night. Merry Christmas. And the important thing is test your dish.
What is that? Woo! This is you.
And
This is you. We can do
Now-
it and I will go review
okay,
for
now
for
you-
a food reviewer.
you add some sugar. This is the trick.
Why?
Chinese trick and
Why?
Italian trick. Sugar.
Why?
That will cut out with the citrusy flavor with the lemon and the onions and the chicken. That will have a contrast. Sugar. Bye. Sugar. This is sugar.
Yes.
Sorry.
And here is our main chef. Chef.
Okay. Sugar. Sugar. Little bit. Not too much. 1 pinch. 1 pinch. Okay. Then have this one. Okay. Now sugar will do like this one. Here I have some corn flour with water. It's peccola di patata in Italian. Bangladesh cornstarch, আপনারা corn flour চিনেন. And in English is cornstarch, also is corn flour. You push it with cold water, mix it like that, and then go with your finger, have a gentle push, little bit push, okay, okay,
No.
okay,
So it's coming. It's something high.
It will thicken the gravy,
The
juice.
gravy.
This is the juice.
All right.
Okay. Not too much. Not too much.
Okay.
Guys, not too much. 2 pinch like that. Okay. Not too much. Then wait. Then wait. And have some stirring. On my plate then.
Come on.
I speak 6 languages, so
All right,
I
so-
don't know what I speak
All right.
when I'm cooking.
Here we
I
go.
speak Hebrew.
The dish is ready or something like that.
Yeah. Wait.
Okay.
The last
So
pinch.
okay, the last pinch.
And the important
What is
one,
that? What is that? What is that?
I don't show you the brand, but this is sesame oil.
Sesame oil. All right.
Olio di sesamo in Bangladesh tiller tel. Tiller tel.
Tiller tell for Bangladeshi people.
Little bit.
How much?
Okay?
Little bit.
Little bit. For the scent. For the scent.
Look how he's doing.
Okay. For the scent.
Alright,
Okay. Go.
And again.
Okay. Go. After you put it, look how the gravy is thickened. Look. Okay. Don't be worried. Just go with the slow. Okay. 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 Go like that. Okay. Wait. And now the plating. Take your pan. Put your plate. Have a shot. Okay.
How can you take her pen?
Take a pen. Look, you take your like this. Okay. Wait. Then I have another garnish. Dopo che avete messo così, after you put that on the plate, I have another
Parliamo
garnish.
inglese un po'.
Okay. I have another garnish. The green onions, the green part.
This is the green part
Sprinkle a little bit.
for decoration or something.
This is yeah.
This for
This
decoration.
is pollo with lemon.
This is the dish. You guys know
Pollo
that.
with lemon.
What we can do?
Okay. Show me. Show me.
This is the chef can do. Here is the chef. Rismaldo.
Okay, this is pollo al limone for Italians. Bangladesh, pollo al lebu, murga al lebu di
Burger.
and
Right.
English, pollo with lemon. It's chicken with lemon. Sorry for the languages.
Okay.
And I'm now going to cook another dish with that video. This is a bonus video for you know guys.
Tonight
Yeah, tonight with this video. Wait for me.
for Merry Christmas.
Okay. Now we are going to test this and we are going to review. My friends will going to review
that.
Okay.
All right,
wait,
guys. Here
wait.
we go. Push. I'm going.
Okay, now my
I'm going to do a food review for you guys.
okay, how is gone?
I think
Okay,
this is a
everybody
good
is
one
waiting.
with roti. Some roti is here.
Roti
You guys
is
knows very
okay,
well
yeah.
what does it roti? It's
Roti.
made for farina.
Farina, okay. This is the weight.
I can take the one piece of bite here.
Go.
You can go.
Go. Yummy.
I want to know.
Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth.
All right, guys.
Really?
The truth is, this is salty and soury. Sweet is something like you can flavor it.
Okay.
Something is lemon. It's
Lemon flavor?
is coming,
Okay,
lemon
okay.
flavor. Because this is called lemon chicken.
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
Okay.
So I think this is the best chicken in this. What I can eat right now.
Right now.
Thank you very
Okay.
much, bro.
Thank you. Okay, tell me.
বাংলা করি হ্যাঁ
কিছু বলতে দেবো
তাড়াতাড়ি হারি আপ ম্যান
মজা একসার
এক সার মজা ভাই কিন্তু লয়ে এলেছে এক সার মজা লয়ে এলেছে আবির তাড়াতাড়ি
I can
গো
bite
আই
another
ডোন্ট হ্যাভ
thing.
টাইম
I
আই
can
ডোন্ট হ্যাভ
bite
টাইম
another one. I can
আবির
bite
সিরিয়াসলি আই ডোন্ট হ্যাভ টাইম
Please
তাড়াতাড়ি গো বাংলায় গো তাড়াতাড়ি
মজা
খুবই মজা
ভাল লাগছে ভাল লাগছে
লেমনের টেস্টে কন্ট্রাস্ট হইছে
হ্যাঁ।
স্পিনাচি উইথ লেমন
ওকে আমার লেগে রাখি কত
I'll bite with roti.
Okay.
Right now. Some sauce.
Per italiano questo è pane bengalese fatta
Okay,
con
no
la farina,
problem, no
okay?
problem.
And
Some
for the
sauces,
English
some
it's like
sauces with
roti is
some
Indian.
sauces with roti. Look
Okay,
at that.
okay.
Okay.
বিনু তৈরি মধ্যে মারাই নেই
মারছে না বিনু মারছে
How was it?
Awesome.
Fantastic. Thank you. Now I'm going to
Cinque for chef.
okay. Now I'm going to have the Spanish menu. It's like vegetarian menu. So wait, guys, wait for my video. Wait.
Okay, ready, guys? Now we can do another dish. This
It's
is
the vegetable.
this is the dish is for special surprise for you guys.
Okay. Bonus video.
Bonus video for you guys.
Okay.
What we can do is
It's Spanish, Chinese, and the Italian mix, but you can get it from Italy. But it's a simple dish, but it's delicious, and you have to how to say, if you stay healthy, if you want to stay
healthy
healthy,
life
বললাই কইছা
healthy life, you eat it, and
for
it's
the healthy life.
okay.
Okay. Here we go. The chef. What can we do? The chef is here. The real chef is here. All right. Here we go, guys.
Okay.
Come on. All right.
And
Pan ready. Pan is ready.
some oil.
Some oil.
Always the oily, this oil, peanut oil, not olive oil. And you can also olive oil. Olive oil is good. No, I know, but olive oil is good, but don't use too much. But okay. Let's have some garlics.
আমি আর ঘুরে গেছি
How many garlic is it?
It's like 2 cloves.
2 or 3 cloves.
2 cloves.
2 or 3 cloves. Okay.
2 cloves.
2
okay.
cloves.
Go with the garlic. The pan has to be hot, but with the garlic it will be infusing the scent. So put the garlic when the oil is cold. So wait for the garlic to have some burst. Look at it. Okay. Okay.
ইংলিশ সব ফেল হয় বাংলাদেশ যে বাংলা কই দিছি
Pause. Right or not? No. I don't know. It's too much.
Here is the chef.
Okay, guys. Am I looking handsome tonight or not?
Yes.
Tell me in the comments and subscribe me, like, share.
Subscribe our channel, please,
Bangladeshi guy
guys.
in Milan.
And the notification button is
Obligatorio.
the notification button is you can do for
You
the bell button for us for new video and for the subscribe.
Okay, the
Alright,
garlic is
guys,
okay.
here we
The
go.
garlic is okay.
The garlic is looking brown tonight. Okay, this is good one and its smell is good.
Go with the Spanish. Okay, like this. Listen the sound, guys. Okay. Come here. I have some green onions left, so I'm going to use that. You can put it right now. Voila. And it's simple, very simple. Garlic, Spanish, green onions, have some toasting. Okay. Some wine. Bangladeshi wine na thake apnara pani diben. তাহলে ইতালিয়ানি আপনি তো
For the Bangladeshi user, যদি আপনাদের কাছে ওয়াইন না থাকে পানি দিবেন।
পানি দিবেন আর যারা ইতালিয়ান এবং আমেরিকান everybody in the whole world, if you have wine, use the white wine. If you don't have, use some water. Italiani, se non avete il vino bianco, avete finito, non è un problema, mettete un po' di acqua, però io c'ho il vino bianco per fortuna. Ok, toast.
So the chef, tell me why you can use the wine? Why?
Wine
For what?
gives
For
everything.
user.
White wine gives everything a flavor that you resist. You have the real flavor because it's made from grapes. So when you put how to say fire in the wine, it have a good contrast
Right.
with everything you want. Everything you can use wine in everything. Believe me. Then now I'm going to have some sugar, salt, and some tasting. It's
Tasting
like
salt.
Tasting salt.
Something for
Ajinomoto.
taste. Something for taste.
Something for taste. Ajinomoto in Chinese, also in Japanese. Bangladeshi like tasting salt.
Tasting salt.
Italiano, dado. Potete
Dado.
usare anche dado.
All right.
Okay. I'm going to have some salt.
This video is going to be too much
Little bit
more,
salt.
but the dish is going on.
Okay. A little bit salt.
Look the dish. How the dish. Oh
Like
my
3 pinches.
God.
Okay. Look, some dado. It's like the tasting salt or something. It's a magnesium, but it's good. Not that much bad for health, but it's good. You can use. Believe me. And some sugar is obligatory. It's must. It's a must. Okay. Obliged. You were obliged by the sugar.
It's
Okay?
must. You can do sugar, please, guys.
Then. This is a quick dish. If you have
Quick
the
dish for
fire,
you.
Quick dish like this.
Quick and eat.
Eat. So if you have the fire like going up, so you will do it in 2 minutes. If you have
Alright.
a fire like me, this one.
Look, the middle one.
Okay.
The medium one.
Medium something. You
মিডিয়াম
like 2 or 3
সো মিডিয়াম বয়েলে আপনাদেরকে বাংলাদেশি ইউজারদের জন্য বলছি আপনারা সবাই মিডিয়াম বয়েলে বয়েল করবেন এন্ড কুকিং করবেন আর কি মিডিয়াম বয়েলে এন্ড দেন আমরা শেফের কাছে চলে আসছি শেফ সো হোয়াটস দ্য নেম অফ দিস
It's
Spinach.
আমাদের দেশে স্পিনিশ শাক যেটা বলে চাইনিজ ওয়ে
ওকে চাইনিজ ওয়েতে আমরা
This is the dish from like Spanish in Chinese way,
Okay.
or Italian Chinese mix way. Maybe the better one, the name of this dish is my way.
my way
Okay.
the one way safe ish chef
the Imonda
this is
one's way.
no this is the safe ish special dish
Okay.
all right
This is the Imonda one's way.
okay
So-
the Imon's special dish or something like that okay guys here we go
Let me check. Sorry. Perfect.
Va bene.
Perfect. Basta. And tutti okay. And have some Chinese influence in my country, something like that. So I'm going to use some corn water, you know.
Corn is street
Corn
water.
starch
Hmm.
with water. So always, okay. Little bit of water, then mix it. Okay. Do not put too much. Little bit.
Look how he can do.
Okay, two times, and
So you
then
guys-
wait. If you need more, you can add later. Bhai, can you give me a plate, please?
The dish is ready. All right.
It's almost ready. Wait.
Wait for some minutes.
সুন্দর একটা ডেকোরেশন
Okay then. Sorry for the waiting because I don't have the fire that I need, but okay, this is the highest. So what? Sorry for the man, for the fuck. Okay.
The dish is ready, guys. Okay, here we go, and I'm coming
It's
for
salad.
review.
It's
What
a
now?
cutter salad.
It's a little bit sweet. Little bit sweet, little bit garlicky. Wait. Wait, need a taste. There will be a surprise. Wait for the surprise. This is the surprise. This is white sesame seed. Bangladeshe jara til. Per italiano sesamo bianco. Guarda. Voilà.
ও মামা মিয়া
Voilà.
জানতো লাশা
এই যে নষ্ট করতেছে ভিডিও আর
এটারে
Fucking good.
Oh, this is the good one. Thank you, chef, for us. Your
Now,
video.
tonight I'm done cooking.
Guys, please subscribe our channel and.
Subscribe me, like me, share me, do whatever you want. I'm not
I love you all.